So class, this is a first sum under a dater method where we are going to do the cost price. ठीक है, हम goods and on the cost price का sum देख रहे हैं under the daters method. Okay. Now Hari is having his head office at the Mumbai and the branch office at Nashik. Hari की HO किधर है? HO is situated in Mumbai, whereas the branch is situated in the Nashik. Prepare the branch account in the books of HO. We have to prepare the branch account. अब कौन सी branch है इसकी? नासिक की branch है. So we will be preparing a Nashik branch account in the books of the HO. From the following transactions. Abhi, they have given us the transactions and we have to prepare a branch account. Okay. So what will be the performer class? We have to write down that it will be in the books of HO, Nasik branch account, particulars, rupees, particulars and the rupees. And since HO के लिए HO क्या करेगा? Under the daters method, they will be treating the branch account as a dater. So we have to apply the rule debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay. So let's read the first transaction. Opening balance at the branch. Now opening balance is given for the petty cash, then stock as well as for the debtors. Tell me, opening stock कहाँ पर जाएगा? Obviously, we will be recording on in the branch account debit side. So opening stock will be recorded in the branch account debit side पर. So अगर इसकी journal entry पूछे तो इसकी journal entry क्या हो जाएगी? Branch account debit to petty cash account, to stock account and to debtors account. Next one, goods supply to. एक काम करते हैं, जैसे जैसे हम पढ़ते हैं हम वैसे ही posting भी start कर देते हैं. Okay, so write down in the debit side to balance brought down. Petty cash, then stock and debtors. $1,000 is for petty cash, 39,500 is for stock and 21,000 is for the debtors. And now next is goods supplied to branch during the year. HO ने goods supply किया है branch को. So we are receiving the goods, right? We are receiving the goods. So here it will be goods sent to branch. To goods sent to branch. कितने के goods sent हुए? 3,10,000 के. So write it down over here, 3,10,000. Next is amount remitted by the branch. Amount which has been remitted by the branch. Remitted का मतलब है branch ने HO को भेजा है. Okay. So now branch is the giver. So this will be recorded in the credit side by bank. क्यों? क्योंकि कैश सेल्स है ना. बाय बैंक पहले तो और लिखेंगे ब्रैकेट में कि रेमिटेंस हुआ है. Cash sales. So write it down over here. Cash sales 1,13,200. Next is realization from debtors. Debtors के पास से पैसा आया. So realization debtors amounting to rupees 2,30,300. Now next is amount remitted to branch. HO ने amount remit किया है branch को. So branch is receiving this amount. ठीक है, सो इट विल बी डेबिटेड टू कैश रेमिटेड। किसके लिए दिया है? पैटी कैश एक्सपेंसेस के लिए दिया है 4,000 रुपीज। देन सैलरी के लिए दिया है 12,000 and for paying the rent and taxes 3,500. Next is closing balances at the branch. Closing balance will be written on which side? Credit side पर जर्नल एंट्री क्या आएगी? पेटी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, डेटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट, स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट टू ब्रांच अकाउंट. So let's write down over here by balance carried down. Petty cash, debtors and stock. $950, $53,000 and 26,500. So we have completed the posting part. हमने सारा posting part complete कर लिया. Now the next part will be what? We have to close the account. We have to balance it up. हमें balance करके close कर देना है. Let's check which side is higher. पहले क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल देख लेते हैं. इट इज कमिंग टू 4,23,950. Where is debit side? It is coming to 3,91,000. It means हमें क्या हुआ है? Profit हुआ है. And as I already have discussed, this profit will go in which account? Obviously, it will be recorded in the credit side of general profit and loss account. So here write it down to, first write down the balancing figure. This total on both the sides. 423 to general profit and loss account. कितना आया था ये? 3,91,000. So we got a profit of 32,950. And this was our balancing figure. Clear? Any doubt till your class? Anyone facing any of the difficulty?